Hey guys, I'm just making my normal update. This is Noah. There's not really anything going on right now. What the heck? Who are you?
Hi, I'm Dolores.
Okay.
Come play with me.
Why are you here?
Oh, the front door was unlocked and I want to play.
So you just opened it and walked in?
Yeah.
Why do you want to play?
I want to play tag.
No.
You're it.
I don't want to play tag. No, I'm not it. I'm not it. No. Please, no, please, don't. I don't want to play tag.
But tag is fun.
No, tag isn't fun. Let's not play tag.
Let's play tag. Come on. You're it.
No. Okay, run away. I'll come and find you.
Okay.
Just go. I don't even know who that is. I'm really freaked out right now. Who is that? She just walks in your house. How many kids do you have that just randomly walk in your house? I still hear her laughing. I'm scared. Okay, let's go find her. There she is! No!
Dolores.
No, you're not!
Yes, I am.
Okay, that's good news! Good news! No! Please don't hurt me! Please don't hurt me! I'm afraid! No! No!